Hi, I'm Mark Stewart with Bird-Kultgen Ford. I'm excited to be with you today to announce the arrival of the all-new 2021 F-150. Why are we so excited? Because this is America's #1 truck for 43 years in a row. Why is it different? I'm going to show you some of that stuff today, but this truck has been rebuilt and redesigned to be the most productive, toughest truck ever, giving you options like 6 different engines, 11 different grills, and 13 different wheel designs. The new F-150 has been rebuilt bumper to bumper to be stronger and more aerodynamic. Here are just a few of the highlights of the 21 F-150. It's got a new fold-flat interior work surface, a 12-inch display, max recline seats fold to 180 degrees, under-seat rear lockable storage, new tailgate work surface, extended running boards for easier tailgate access, Ford Pass Connect embedded 4G LTE modem which provides Wi-Fi for up to 10 devices, active drive assist with hands-off the steering wheel capability, Pro trailer backup assist, trailer reverse guidance assist, plus available best-in-class towing and payload with the all-new 3.5-liter Power Boost full hybrid powertrain with the ability to power your full worksite with 7.2 kilowatts of power and the ability to go 700 miles on a single take of gas. I encourage you to stop by today and check out and test drive the all-new 2021 F-150 today, or visit us anytime at bkford.com.